everybody, it's Shevy with Daly City Rec, and today we're gonna make a moon scene. For this scenery, what you're gonna need is a canvas, some paints, a cup of water, and some paintbrushes. First thing we're gonna do is put some dark blue and some purple onto the canvas. Now squeeze in a little more of the blue that you use and some red. Since we want reflections in the water, you're gonna need more blue to make it look muggy. Now what I'm going to do is add a silhouette of some land using dark purple. Now we're going to create the moon using white paint. After you painted your moon in the sky, go ahead and get more white paint and let's create reflections into the water. Next thing you want to do is create the ripple effect in the water so it matches with the reflection. So you want to move your brush like this. Grab a toothbrush no one is using so we can create scars over our painting. Hope you enjoyed making this moon scenery, and I'll see you in the next